Hey everybody, it's Good Time Gal, and today is May 20th, Pick Strawberries Day. That's right, pick strawberries. I went to a local market and I picked my own strawberries, and they're perfect. Look how fresh they look. Yes. So, this is a wonderful day to connect with your season eating. This is a great way to support your local and sustainable agriculture. And this is always a great way to embrace the joy and mindfulness of your food choices. So, this is why I decided to do this for you today. This is also an indicator that spring is here. Spring is here. So, we want you to enjoy spring in as many ways as you can. So today we're going to be making my mother's famous strawberry shortcake from scratch. The first step in making your strawberry shortcake is going to be preparing the strawberries. Now, there is a recipe that I have with buttermilk biscuits, and some of you may go, oh my God, I want to try buttermilk biscuits instead of these other biscuits, and that's perfectly fine, right? The number one thing I want is just us to cook and have a really good time doing it. So we're gonna prepare the strawberries first, then we will do the biscuits, and then that's gonna be it, okay? Super easy, so let's just start. So how I like to prepare mine is I wanna make sure that I'm gonna put sugar, lemon juice, and I want it to marinate for a good 20 minutes so it has that strawberry shortcake fresh taste, right? That's what we're going for. If you were not like me and you didn't get to frolic in the sunshine today and go pick strawberries, please feel free to use frozen ones or just go to your local grocery store because strawberries need love too, right? All right, so let's get it. And I'm only gonna need half of these. The recipe calls for a pound of strawberries. This is over a pound. I'm gonna fill this cup up with strawberries. This is how I'm gauging it. I'm just slicing away. But I want to fill that cup up because that's all the strawberries we're gonna need. Yep, a couple more. And I just like to peel off the soft, like if they're dark spots. I'm just weird like that. The soft spots, I just like to peel around them because when you get past that soft spot, it's still a good strawberry inside. I'm gonna do one more, and I think that's gonna be it for us. Then I just like to peel off the sauce box. So that's a cup. I'm gonna pour this back in. We're using honey instead of sugar because honey will make it weep. And they're already open. Strawberries are very porous. I don't want it to weep. I want it to make the sweet flavor. So you take the honey and you just drizzle all over your strawberries. And I do a circle. I think that's enough. And I'm gonna take my orange. We just squeeze. Just a little bit. Spatula. Remember the folding technique we love? Fold it. Fold it. So now it has this wonderful freshness. Wonderful. So now let's eat. Oh yeah, perfect. It's biscuit time. We have prepared our strawberries. They are in there chilling. So by the time we get done with this, with that 20 minutes, it'll be a perfect simpatico bake. So we're gonna start, okay? So flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, whisk gently, I'm going to put it in a bigger I'm going to slowly add the butter because I'm using oil and this can make it a little soppy. It's getting there. Just keep going. Don't get scared. I'm gonna use my whisk again so I can get a crumble because that's what we want. I want it to look like sand. I'm getting that sand consistency. And now I slowly add the milk. I think we've got biscuits. I think we did it. want to add a little more flour because I don't like how doughy it can get. I like to use a teacup as my guide. Yeah, we're not playing games. We're making big biscuits. Making those big biscuits. Let's see. Well, it did. These will go into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes at 425. I'll see you then. 15 minutes has passed. Our shortcake, they came out perfectly. So I love it. I am going to plate now. Let's see. They're so hot. They're so hot. Let's open one. See how wonderful they came out. Let's see. You did that. Look at you. A fluffy biscuit. Saves the day. You guys are doing awesome. We have made so many different recipes for so many different holidays. And if you've been keeping up, I want you to pat yourself on the back. We've made cheese souffles, chocolate souffles, strawberry shortcake, buttermilk biscuits from scratch. And now you've made a strawberry shortcake from scratch. You got skills. You got some skills. Don't let nobody tell you different. And it just slices right through. Look at that. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna put a little more. That looks good. Time to eat. From my kitchen to yours. Happy Big Strawberries Day. Well, that's all the time we have. Thanks so much for stopping by and making those wonderful strawberry shortcakes with me. I am so proud of you. If you have enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Please check out my channel description to check out all those wonderful cooking aids. And you can go ahead and go to Amazon and check out my Good Time Gal cookbook, which is great for all seasons and occasions. Thanks so much for stopping by. Happy cooking.